Hello again everyone, this is Fred again showing you more things to do right here in Portugal. And today is gonna be a little bit of an improvised video. I had planned to do a video about Óbidos this week, but it didn't really turn out to be how I wanted. So yeah, today I'm off to explore a new place, something that not even I know, I've never been there. But it is a waterfall and it's supposed to be very near Sintra, so it's not far from where I live or anything. It should be very much in reach for any of you that are staying in Lisbon. I do believe, however, that you need your own car to get there. I don't believe there's many public transport options to go there. And let's see if it's really as cool as it looks to be. So it was very confusing to get here in the first place by car. You have to leave the road in a weird tiny kind of dirt road that goes off to the side, and then yeah, just figure out your way out here. You just put this on the GPS on the Google Maps and it's relatively simple. I left my car here, as you can see, and then you do have a bit of a hike down this whole place to actually get there. We can hear the waterfalls. Yeah, hopefully there are no serial killers down there. Let's go. Actually, when you get about half the way, you do start to get a feeling of more into nature. Even though there are buildings just all the way up the top there, this seems to be like a sort of gorge going down here. And down there it looks beautiful. So yeah, can't wait to get there. So I'm just here trying to capture these beautiful butterflies that are everywhere on these flowers, but sadly, like, I have to do super slow motion. But the beautiful ones, I mean, I've seen like a big yellow one and a sort of half orange half white one also, but those don't seem to stop here. Hello, bee, don't bite me. Those don't seem to stop, and I wanted to try and catch them flying off a flower. There's a white one there. Let me go and try that one. Okay, let's not waste all the battery filming the butterflies. We actually have a whole waterfall to see and explore. So, wow, I'm finally seeing it. So, get ready for some really cool B-roll coming up. So last week I actually got a comment from one of you guys. Your name is Liana Palermo, if I'm not wrong. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong. You want me to kind of translate a few words from English to Portuguese for you guys. And so let's go ahead and do some of that. So a waterfall like this one, we would say it's called a cascata. Also, other things we've seen today, Like butterflies, we would call that borboleta, and like a frog, we would say it's a rein. I know we have weird sounds. If it's a big frog, we would say it's like a toad. We would say it's a sapo. Yeah, you will start to get used to the Portuguese sounds as you stay some time in Portugal. But it is kind of weird, so let me know if you want me to keep doing this. I'll do a little bit every little video. And yeah, leave your vote up here in the poll. I think you can vote here, so yeah, do that. And also don't forget to subscribe, like the video. Those things really help me a lot. A lot of you are watching my videos without hitting the subscribe button, and yeah, do that please. It will help me so much. So now I'll see you next week with another new adventure. Bye bye.